Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to confirm your sender email address in System.io. This is an essential step if you want to ensure your emails reach your subscribers without landing in spam folders. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're there, log into your account. You'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all the features of the platform. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your System.io account. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar contains multiple categories that help you organize different settings. Look for the option labeled Emails and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing all email-related configurations, including sender information, SMTP settings, and email deliverability options. After clicking on Emails, you'll see a page with various email settings. Scroll down through this page until you find the section labeled Sender. This is where you'll configure who appears as the sender when your emails go out to your audience. Having a verified sender address builds trust with both your subscribers and email service providers. In the Sender section, you'll see a field for email address. Click into this field and type the email address you want to use as your sender address. Make sure this is an email you have access to, as you'll likely need to verify it through a confirmation email sent to that address. Once you've entered your email address, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll find a Save button there. Click on Save to store your changes. The system will process your request and may send a verification email to the address you just entered to confirm that you own it, and there you have it. You've successfully configured your sender email address in System.io, which will help improve your email deliverability and ensure your messages reach your audience effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.